You may want to bring a little more structure to your lesson. The Flip has a handy set of tools and templates that will make your lesson a breeze. Calendars, the lesson planners, the lists and graphs. They will save you not only time, but they will also spice up the visuals in your classroom. Let's say it's a new year and you have new students and you want to set your classroom expectations. You can add a form that allows you to add your classroom rules in a fun and engaging way. From the whiteboard, bring up the feature menu. Then select the menu to the right. Tap on Forms. And now from this menu, choose the form you would like to apply. From there, simply hit Apply. There are pre-existing templates installed, or, of course, you can import your own designs.